Sometimes we say things that we really don't mean.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a slick low bun with my red hair, and excuse the noise in the background. I live in the projects and nobody knows how to just stay in their house. Nobody knows how to have conversations in their house. They have to have it in the hallway. But whatever, we're going to get into this video. My hair is looking lovely. It's red and it's bright and it's growing, flowing and everything. Nobody's messing up my vibe today, you heard. Anyway, I struggle with a slick back because I have a widow's peak and my line is rarely ever straight. I don't know how people do the side parts because my side parts, you would have to put the hair on the forehead, and listen, pimples will be there day of if I put any gel and all that stuff on my head. So I'm not doing that. So I'm using my PG hair care spray bottle, and I section my hair into 3 parts, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. I'm just going to wet the 2 front parts because this is the part that's going to be slicked down like to the max. Like, this is what people are going to see. So I'm using the Curlsmiths Hold Me Softly Style Balm. It's really good light hold. It just moisturizes your hair really nicely. So yeah, I'm using this on the front and the back sections. I'm just showing you guys the front. But yeah, so you just work it in your hair, getting your hair nice and moisturized, and it also helps with brushing your hair back. So yeah, I would recommend this. It's basically like a leave-in kind of thing, but it's called balm. But you know, it's good. Again, don't mind my background because my neighbors don't know how to stay in their house. But anyway, so I'm using my Silk City brush. This is a really soft brush, and the only reason I'm using this soft brush is because my edges are thin, and I'm not trying to brush my hair too hard because it hurts, and I'll just be brushing my scalp. Had to take a coffee break, you know, Dunkin' Donuts needs to sponsor me or whatever. But yeah, so now I'm using the In Shower Style Flexor. This is a gel, and as you can see, it's a 10 hold, which in the Style Balm it had a 1 hold. This is a 10 hold. So I'm using this on top of the balm just so that it can lay down my hair to the max. And it actually, this line smells delicious. Hey, oh yeah, you feeling it? Okay. Anyway, so you just want to brush it back. You can use a hard brush if you want. I'm just using the soft one because I don't want to hurt my scalp. So that's just me. It's gonna work. It just takes time. So, yep. So after I use the Silk City brush, I go on with my Denman brush, but this brush, I've had it for a while, and I also took out the bristles, so it's not as hard as it usually is and as it looks. So now I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail, and this is the type of bun that I like. You don't have to do your bun like this, but this is just my style. So, ooh, yeah, get it. Ooh, yeah, welcome to the party. Ooh, ooh, okay, yeah, uh-huh, yeah, ooh, 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 oh, whoa, okay. Anyway, back to my hair. I'm using the Shine and Jam, and I love this. It's like a moisturizing, conditioning gel, and it's really, really good for braid styles and like to lay your edges. So I try to swoop my widow's peak to the side, but it didn't work. So I'm just going to separate it and just put it to the side that it's supposed to be on, because that was not it. It was not it. So now I'm just following my line, you know. I'm not making anything extra. I'm not doing anything extra. I'm just following my hairline. And you can tell, like, I have a widow's peak. It's like really pointy in the top, and then it goes to the side. Whoa, a bristle fell off. Okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing my edges, so you can watch me do my edges. So now I'm going to go in with some Got To Be Glued spray. Now this thing is no joke, y'all. I'm telling you, you spray this on your hair and it's gonna be stuck. Like if it's up and it's up, then it's stuck. It's gonna be stuck. No funny, like for real. You guys, I'm telling you, this is the key to the slick back, the key to the flyaways, the key to it all. Like, wherever you put this, it's gonna stay. Now I'm using this scarf. Don't come in my scarf. This is my scarf that my grandma gave me. You know, she loved me. She always giving me scarves. I love her. Te amo mucho, abuelita. But yeah, it's cute or whatever. So I'm using this to hold my hair down, and yeah, you guys are about to see a baddie in a few. You're about to see a baddie. Now I'm trying some red eyebrows for the first time to match my hair, and they actually came out good. So if you guys want to see this makeup look, comment down below, because I will definitely post that if you guys want to see it. I love this makeup look. It was really good, nice, natural. The lipstick, well, it's a lip gloss by me at medinabyasonata.com. I will put the link in the description. But yeah, this is my final look. It's very, very cute. I love it, guys. I know you guys love it too. Yeah, I had to close up on myself because I'm looking fire. Period. And the back is nice and slick. I like my messy bun look. I love that. And the Denman brush helped with all the curlies in the back, so it all looks smooth and wavy. I like it. You don't have to do it the way I do it, but I'm just showing you. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. This is my final look. I love it. It is super hard trying to get a side part or even a middle part with a widow's peak, so yeah. But I love my makeup look. I love the red brows. It all goes together. Super, super cute and simple. It's not even that hard. Trust me, any beginner makeup person can do this. It's super easy. And my hair is just in a low puff. And girl, we keep it pushing while looking cute. Now, if you don't like the bun, of course, you can always do something different. It's all up to you. I personally like my bun like this, and I like everything slicked on the top. So, yeah. I hope you guys liked the video, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment, share, all that good stuff. See you guys. Catch me on Instagram.